right, I'm going to go over the general operation of your tool. This is under a G-force. You've got your up down here with your E-stop. We do have a common button, so you have to hit the common as well as the grip release. We do have a gripper safety circuit. So in addition to hitting the common button, you also have to have the part weight off of the tool. So you can even hit the grip or hit the release with the common and it still won't drop the part. Here we have pull pins with real easy slider. That's just for different widths of these extrusions. One thing you'll note, it is using air-saving pumps. So once it makes vacuum, the vacuum will shut off. And then due to leakage in the system, if by chance a cup was a little bit off, you could hear a puff of air and that'll bring it up into like 18 inches of mercury. That is just good. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to come down onto this part. One thing that makes it easy, like I said, it's under a G-force, so it has very good spotting control. So you land onto those feet with the grip and the common button. You'll notice the air shuts off. This is the longest piece. I will hit the release button. Along with the common button, you're not dropping the part in midair. One additional feature, which is really cool, is called float mode. So you can hit the float mode button and grab anywhere on the part or on the tool, and you can move it up and down. So for spotting, that can come in real handy. Go ahead and set the part down. And now have the weight off of the part. And that's the general operation.